Hey friends, and welcome back to a somewhat chilly Cornwall. Brrr. Today I'm going to be knocking up these oatcakes over the campfire for you, and I thought you might like to come and hang out with me as I do so. Okay, so I'm going to keep some of these oats back just in case I get a little bit heavy-handed with the hot water, or if my dough starts sticking to the board when I'm rolling it out. Now, if you're not familiar with oatcakes, they're like little oaty crackers or savoury cookies if you like. They're made with oats and fat, bicarb of soda, water and salt. They're really, really easy. And I am going proper old school with these ones, and I'm going to use bacon fat. So whenever I cook bacon, I simply drain the fat from the frying pan into this glass jar and keep it in the fridge. And seriously, bacon fat has got to be the tastiest fat out there. I mean, hello, bacon. But if it terrifies you, then please feel free to swap it out with butter, which I guess is the second tastiest fat in the world, so I'll let you off. Add in the hot water, and then you can start bringing it all together into a really stodgy, heavy dough. And then use a rolling pin or a wine bottle, if that's easier to come by, and roll it out until it's about 3 or 4 millimeters thick. And you can use a mug or simply a knife just to cut the dough into crackers. They don't have to be round, traditionally they are, but hey, why not make whatever shape you want? And then before cooking, you just need to preheat that skillet, or like I am, a hanging griddle plate over the fire so it's nice and hot before you put them anywhere near it. Carefully lay out the oatcakes on the hot griddle, and then you're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes each side, and you'll see the edges start to curl up a tiny bit and the bottom gets really lightly golden brown when they're ready to flip. 5 minutes each side and then they're done. Hide away from the smoke. It's so smoky over there. Anyway, here we are, oatcakes with some chutney and some cheddar cheese. That is so good. They're really crisp and obviously really fresh tasting. And could you not, that bacon fat, it's just amazing. And I've never had a shop bought oatcake, I don't think, that's made with bacon fat. The difference in the flavour, guys, it's insane. It's so tasty. So, there we go. Did you enjoy it? I hope you did. If so, please feel free to wallop that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, why not subscribe? We are all about cooking outdoors, whether that's a campfire or a camper van. I'm going to catch up with you in the next video. So until then, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you on the other side. Over and out.